Welcome to Hope Talker English.
She is Judy, she is very rich and she is greedy as well. Madam, I brought your food. Where should I put it? Idiot fat lady. I am on diet, I can't eat this junk food. But you ordered it, madam. I changed my mind, get out and make some healthy. Okay, madam. As you wish. And this is Judy's dad. He is a businessman.
Hello. I will send those documents tomorrow.
This is John. He lives in one-bedroom apartment with his mom. What happened, my son?
Electricity bill, Mom. I have to pay it as soon as possible.
Don't worry about that. I will pay it this month. I got my pension.
Thanks, Mom. See you.
Have a great day, my son. Hey, John, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am great as well. We have to sell more clothes today.
What a tough job. I will do my best. We work in this shop.
Hello, my sweetie.
Hello, Dad. Good morning.
Where are you going?
I am going shopping. See you.
Have fun, my sweetie.
What a sweet melody. We will have fun today. First we will go shopping and then we will eat dinner in a restaurant. Really? You are my best friend. Welcome, madam. How may I help you today? I am looking for a dress. Sure, madam. I will be right back. Hey, John, your dream girl came.
What? Is she real? She came for shopping.
Yeah, go and help her. You can impress her.
Okay. Hi, Judy, madam.
Hi, John. I want a beautiful dress. Your taste is very good. Can you find me the most beautiful dress?
Sure, madam. We have a lot of new beautiful dresses. These are new dresses. You can try it on.
Wow. I love these dresses. I will buy all of these.
Sure, madam. Thanks for coming, madam.
Have a great day, John. Who is calling? Catering service. Hello. Judy speaking. Hello. Miss Judy. You hired for waiters, but we have only 3 waiters. What? I am throwing a party tomorrow. I need 4 waiters. Sorry, madam. We have only 3 waiters. Okay. I will manage. What happened? We need 1 more waiter. Your party is tomorrow in the evening. Right. Yes. What are you thinking? I have an idea. I am listening. That salesman can help us. You always buy clothes from that shop. He needs money. You can hire him. Great idea. Let's go back and talk to him. She was here. You should tell her that you love her.
It's not easy for me. She is rich and I am poor.
Money is not everything. You are a handsome boy. You are a kind-hearted person.
Do you really think so? Should I propose her? Will Judy say yes?
John.
Judy, madam.
I need some help. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. How can I help you?
Actually, I am throwing a party tomorrow evening. I need a waiter. So can you do this for me? I will pay you over this.
Waiter?
Yeah. I would like to hire you for 1 night. Are you interested?
If you are saying, then okay. I will come tomorrow.
Do you have my mobile number?
No, I don't have your mobile number.
I will call you. Okay, then see you.
See you.
John, this is a great chance for you. You can impress her tomorrow.
Do you really think so?
Yeah, sure. You don't need to wait anymore, just propose her tomorrow.
What if she says no?
She is nice with you. She is going to call you. I think she will say yes.
I hope so. Okay, fine, I will propose her after party.
Good luck. Did you hear their conversation? I heard everything. He is in love with you. Don't worry, I will teach him a lesson at the party. It's gonna be so much fun tomorrow. Really? Oh my God. I can't wait. Just wait and watch. I can't love that poor guy. How was your day, my son?
It was great, Mom. Mom, I will be late tomorrow.
Why is it, my son?
I will go to the party after work. I will work as a waiter for 1 night. I can make more money.
Waiter. I don't feel good, my son. You don't need to do this. You work so hard.
I want to give you every happiness, Mom. You sacrifice a lot for me. It has just tonight. That's it.
God bless you, my son. You will get everything in your life soon. My prayer are always with you.
Thanks, Mom.
It's gonna be so much fun at night. I want to see his face. Have some patience. He will not forget this night. I hope so. You are doing well, John. Great work.
Thanks, madam. Would you like to drink something?
No thanks. Go over there. Maybe someone wants a drink.
Okay, madam.
When is he going to propose you? I can't wait. My dear friend, you have to wait.
I think I should tell her about my feelings. I hope she will say yes. Come on, John. Just tell her. You have to do this right now.
Oh my God, he is coming here. Keep quiet.
Judy, madam.
Yes, John. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. Actually, I want to say something.
Come on, John. If you need more money, I can raise the amount. You are working so hard.
No, it's not about money.
So what's the matter?
I know you are very rich and I am poor. But I must tell you.
Tell what?
I love you, madam. I really love you.
Oh my God. Did you hear? He loves me. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? What's going there? This broke boy loves me. Can you believe it? Oh my God. He loved me. I should give the answer. Did you like my answer?